Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up DKIM in Salesforce and improve email deliverability. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. Email deliverability is crucial for ensuring that your messages reach their intended destinations securely and reliably. With the rise of email spoofing and phishing attacks, it's more important than ever to authenticate your emails. And that's exactly where DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, comes into play. By setting up DKIM in Salesforce, you can protect your domain from malicious activities, safeguard your communication, and boost your domain's reputation. So let's walk through the steps to set this up and improve your email deliverability. To start off, we'll need to log into your Salesforce account. It's essential to note that this setup requires administrative access, so make sure you have the appropriate permissions. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the interface. You'll see a gear icon, which acts as your gateway to the settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Setup. This action will take you to a hub where you can access various options necessary for configuring DKIM keys. Now, in the Setup area, you'll notice a quick find box. This handy tool allows you to swiftly navigate to the specific settings pages you need. Type DKIM keys into the search field and click on the DKIM keys option from the results. You've now arrived at the section where you can manage your domain keys. Look for the option to create a new key and click on it. This is your starting point for generating a new DKIM key for your domain. On the Create New Key screen, you'll be prompted to enter some essential details. First, you'll need to provide a selector. This is essentially a unique identifier for the DKIM key. You might choose a simple name, such as Salesforce 1, to make it easily recognizable. Next up is the alternate selector option. This feature is particularly useful as it allows Salesforce to automatically rotate your DKIM keys, thereby enhancing your domain's security. Input another unique name here that corresponds to this purpose. Then, you move on to the domain field. Here you will input your sending domain, such as example.com. This specifies the domain for which your DKIM key will be valid. Now, pay attention to the key size setting. It's highly recommended to select the 2048-bit option. This choice provides a robust level of encryption, essential for maintaining the security of your communications. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, click Save. Doing this prompts Salesforce to generate the crucial public DNS entries for your domain. Remember, these entries must be published with your DNS provider to complete the setup. The next step involves logging into your DNS host or provider. This could be platforms such as GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Namecheap, and so on. Here you'll need to add a new TXT record using the values that Salesforce generated earlier. This step is fundamental as it links the DKIM key to your domain, allowing for the verification of your emails. By carefully following these steps, you'll ensure that your emails are consistently authenticated. This will help protect your domain from potential email threats and maintain its integrity. That's it for this tutorial on how to set up DKIM in Salesforce and improve email deliverability. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.